What's up, everybody? Mad Matt here. I'm gonna try and give you a little bit of an update on this box that I got for $20 at a yard sale as compared to the box I was running that had my old kicker comp bars with a little 7-inch port on the side. This one got the center port. Seems to move air a little bit more freely. Still running the 1600 watt Hyphonics Brutus 1606D. Sorry if my truck's a little messy, I just got off work. But I noticed when I was dialing in my amp in the other day that when I opened up the doors, it was hitting like way harder because of the way the acoustics are in here. So I wonder if maybe sealed enclosure would actually hit harder in here, but I'm not really worried about it because I'm gonna go to a new everything, new speakers, a new system, everything when I go to my new vehicle here pretty soon. So, but yeah, like I was gonna show a little bit about how this box hits with that same song I used last time. With the other box and the comp bars, and then I'm gonna show you what it sounds like with the doors open, and then with a different song, just to show how much harder it hits when the doors are open. It's crazy. All right, first with the doors closed.
I ain't gonna eat, I ain't gonna sleep, ain't gonna breathe till I see what I wanna see, and what I wanna see is you go to sleep in the dirt. Hurt, this ain't gonna work for me.
Alright, now open up the doors and show how much harder it hits. Alright. Alright, yeah, it's not jiggling the stuff around quite as much when the doors are open, but the pressure and the ear tickles and the eye vibrations and everything else is just, I don't even know, 50% better probably. Let's see if we can try another song out. Check 9, here we go. Actually, that's not the song I even wanted to do. That's the wrong song. Let's try this. Yeah, you can tell good bit with the doors open and everything. I don't know if you can tell, but the roof, oh my god, or if you can hear it in here, it's flexing so freaking bad now. But yep, that's pretty much it. That's probably the last video on these bad boys before I get my new setup. I don't know what I'm gonna do now, if I'm gonna do 15s or if I'm gonna do more of those, but gotta find a new rig first and then get everything set up how I actually want it, because it's been holding me back. But yep, until next time, guys.